Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Simplykay back with another video. This video is all about the cash stuffing for the second paycheck of September. Yes, we will be stuffing $445 today. We're gonna get right into this video because we have a lot to do, but if you are new, thank you for tuning in. Welcome to my channel. I hope that you enjoy this video and I hope that you enjoy it so much that you subscribe and join our family. If you are back, welcome. Hey girl, hey boy, hey. And without further ado, we're gonna hop right into this video and yeah, let's get into it. So I'm gonna slide these off to the side. Gonna try to stay on task here and get right to everything. So we're gonna start out with my Moterm wallet planner, and gas is going to be getting $50. If you did not see my video, I just recently got this Moterm and I am loving it. Loving it so much. Stay tuned for the end of the video for an announcement on this, but I am loving this envelope. It's everything. So gas is getting $50. That has been my budget and it has been working well. That's enough. At least $25 a week. I have to gas up now. Toll is going to be getting $10. We used all that. Food has some left over in it, surprisingly. And y'all know I got my Dunkin' not too far. Gotta have my Dunkin'. We have $8 left. So we're gonna put these dollars off to the side and keep the 5, and we're gonna add 20. So there should be a total of 25 in food, which is good. I've been doing a lot better now that I'm giving all my categories a little bit more. So it's been more realistic and I haven't been using my card. I'm very proud. I have not been bad. Date night has nothing in it. It's going to be getting 25. We spent the 50 on brunch, which was really good. So 25 is going into date night. And then shopping has some left over. It has $2 left and we're gonna put this off to the side with the other dollars. And we're going to be putting in 20. So giving myself a little bit more has definitely helped. I haven't even used everything, as you can see, so that is good. We'll get back into this when I do the change. Then we're going to hop into the money spender envelope. Fun money has, let's see, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We're going to keep the 5. Put these ones over here to the side, and we're going to be adding in 15, so we should have a total of $20. 10, 15, 20. Oh, I don't have to fold it. See, I'm in the mood to fold now because of the Moterm. So $20 in fun money. Self-care has nothing in it. It's just going to be getting 20. I am so proud, you guys, of how I've been. As you can see, I got my nails done. Got my toes done, got my eyebrows done. We out here. Emergency fund has $300 and it's going to be getting 10. So 100, 200, 300, 310. Car maintenance has 25. It's also going to be getting 10. 20, 30, 35 is the total. Did get a car wash, but I just used extra money I had in my buffer. Medical dental is getting $5 today. There is 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, $80. So we'll have a total of 85. 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 85. 85. The savings challenge, we are going to come back for that after we do our sinking funds. Maybe this video won't be so long, guys. I'm getting right to it. Beauty has $30. It's going to be getting 10. So we'll have a total of 40, 20, 30, 40, I'm like being very consistent with how much I put into that. Vacation is going to be getting $10. So we now have a total of 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 60. No vacation set yet, but trying to plan something for February. Just don't know where. B-Days and Gifts is going to be getting $5. So we are going to have a total of 20, 25, 30. Then Christmas is fully funded with $300. I did find some stuff at the store for 2 of my nephews, so I'm gonna take this $100 out and put off to the side because I spent $100 on them, which is within the budget, and I'm gonna deposit that because I used my credit card. And yeah, so now I have $200 in there, but it's fully funded, and I'm starting my Christmas shopping now. House stuff is going to be getting $5. There is nothing in there. I got some decorations and stuff earlier this month, so you have $5 in there. Hubby is going to be getting $20, so he should have a total of, let's move this up a little bit, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 100. So what I'm gonna do is take this 100, put it in his envelope, and take this to the deposit to the bank. So now he has 100. That's good. That's like really, really good. I'm proud. His birthday is in December. We still have time, but $100 is good to start. Oliver is our puppy. He's going to be getting $10. So he has a total of 20, 30, 35. We just got him a whole bunch of toys. My husband cannot. Every store we go into, he's in the dog aisle trying to find something for him. Nurse stuff is going to be getting $5 as well. 20, 25, 30. And you know what? I might go back and switch out some bills before. Actually, I'm just gonna do that. That way we can have less. Send all the money to the bank that we don't need. Grad school is going to be getting $150. We are starting up for the spring semester that starts in January. Just gonna put aside a little bit of money now so that we can start preparing and saving for that. So $150 is in there. Textbooks is going to be getting $5. So 10, 15, 20, 25. So we're gonna take this, switch it out, 25. Sally Mae. So I had some extra money that I took out that I spent that I used my card for. So in here is $85. It's going to be getting 10. And it has a total of 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95. So just trying to put this. Trying to switch it out so we don't have to have all these low bills. So 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95. Who knew? We're kind of doing a bill exchange at the same time. Amazon is going to get $5. There's nothing in there. I spent that money. Simplikay is for the business. There is $51, I believe, in here. We're going to take this dollar out, put it off to the side, and it's going to be $5 added. So we have a total of 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55. I had to get some supplies, and then I did receive $50 from the project that I just completed with the wine glasses. So your girl's getting her little side hustle on. So I used that money to buy some stuff from Michael's so that I can make the stuff for my next project. P.O. Box is going to be getting $10. There is now 20, 30, 40, 45, 50. think we need $60 for me to renew it. 25 has $45 in here. We're going to be putting 5 in, so we're going to have a total of 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, and we're just going to swipe out and get a 10 and continue with the 50. Still don't know what I want for my birthday, so. And then our giving envelope, we're going to take this crusty 5, give it back. 20, 30, 40, 45, 50. 55. We're adding 5, so we have 55 in here, and we're just going to swap that out. 20, 30, 40, 50, 55. Alright, so that is that. Now I'm just going to make sure that this is $100 since I just did all that switching of bills. Sometimes you just have to be like, you just have to improvise. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 90, 100. Okay, so we're going to put this to be deposited in the bank for the stuff I spent for Christmas. So now we're going to go to the dollar savings challenge. There's $57 in here, which is like, actually, no, I'm lying. No, maybe there is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So now we're going to go to the dollar savings challenge. From what I have, there's $57 in here. And we have $10 to add in today. So we're going to start counting to make sure there's 57. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67. $67. Look at this, y'all. It's getting pretty big. So we have a total of $67. So I'll update that tracker when I get a pen. 67. And then we are going to go to our change. I just need a sip. Okay, so there is $40.26, and we have quite a bunch of change. $40.26. $43.45. So 43.45 minus 40, 26. $3.19. Y'all, that's crazy. Just from 2 weeks of change. That's $3. So you have a total of $43.45 in here and $67 in the savings challenge. So it's crazy. It's really, really good. So now what I want to talk to you guys about is my 2,000 subscriber giveaway. First of all, I would say thank you again. I know I said it before, but words cannot even express how thankful I am for all of you guys that are supporting me and following me on my journey. I truly appreciate it. Did not think that I would see this day, and it's crazy. But we have 2,000 subscribers. We're a little bit over now, but I do want to do a giveaway because you guys are the reason why I make these videos. And then I just love the community that we have. I love talking with you guys, and I just want to give back in a way that I can. So the giveaway is going to be a Moterm planner, because I did the video unboxing it and I've been using it for 2 weeks now, and I absolutely love this planner. I think that someone who maybe has had their eye on it like I have but just didn't want to pay the money for it, I think this is like a great opportunity to give one away. So I'm going to insert a picture of all the rules, but you must be subscribed. You must be following me on Instagram if you have an Instagram. If you don't, just comment that down below this video, and then you're gonna need to leave a comment about why you started budgeting. Very simple. It's not hard at all. Why you started budgeting. Make sure you follow me on Instagram if you have an Instagram, and then you must be subscribed to this channel, and you must be publicly subscribed. So if I can't see that you're one of my subscribers, you're not even going to be eligible. So make sure you have your subscriptions on public. Now, it doesn't have to be this color. I will coordinate with whoever wins what color you want, and then I'll get all your information and everything. But I will post all the details and the rules on my Instagram as well. So make sure you go follow me so you can hear about when I'm going to announce the winner. But I will announce the winner in my next cash stuffing, which will be October 11th. Monday, October 11th, the winner will be announced, and the giveaway will end Monday, October 4th. That way I can coordinate everything and get it ready. So, and I will announce the winner in my next video, October 11th, which is a Monday, and it'll be the first cash stuffing for October. So if you have any questions, you feel free to DM me, leave me a comment down below. But good luck to everyone who decides to enter. I hope that you enjoy this giveaway. I just really thought, I had other ideas, but I thought that this would be great because I am loving this whole system. It's just so much easier than carrying around a whole bunch of envelopes like I used to do. So I hope that you guys are excited about this giveaway. But that is all I have for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Enter the giveaway if you feel like you would like a Moterm. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you as always for your support and your love. God bless and have a great week. Bye guys.